Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify review strategy using Podium templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Podium account. Navigate to the reviews section on the dashboard. Identify the review you want to verify. Click on the review to open the details. Look for the option that allows you to respond. Select a Podium template for your response. Ensure the template is relevant to the review content. Personalize the message to match the customer's experience. Double-check the tone and language for professionalism. Send the response through the platform. Monitor for any new comments or updates from the customer. Keep track of all responses for future reference. Review feedback regularly to refine your strategy. Continually adjust your templates based on customer interactions. Engage with reviewers promptly to build trust. Evaluate the effectiveness of your responses periodically. This approach will enhance your review verification process using Podium templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.